Hello friends, welcome to youforall.com. I'm your host Amit, and let's start with the current affairs. And today we are going to cover 4 days, which will be of 6th of August, 5th of August, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd of August. So I'm just moving on the right place so that you people can have a look, better look. Alright. So on 6th of August 2015, Cabinet approved direct release of wages of Manrega worker. This was a very long pending issue where the Aadhaar card, in fact, all the unique IDs were into that same way, and as per the Digital India plan of Narendra Modi, it was like to give the direct wages to the worker of Manrega so that the middleman system can be removed. So this is a new initiative of cabinet approval and hope it will be implemented soon. Second, cabinet approves the proposal to sign agreement with the UNESCO. First, is it important to get into the SSC or any other current affairs? I believe no, because there is no as such date or this is just an approval, so you cannot expect this kind of question into current affairs. Cabinet approved proposal to sign agreement with UNESCO. Again, not so important regarding the current affairs because it's just an approval of cabinet, so it is not yet law and it is not yet implemented. So, I mean, these kind of questions are just like approval are ignored in current affairs. Parliament passes the Delhi High Court Amendment Bill, a bill to reduce the workload of Delhi High Court by enhancing the peculiarity jurisdiction of civil units from the existing 20 lakhs to rupees. Again, not so important regarding the current affairs question. Fourth, Union Cabinet notes give having a BSNL tower to a new company. Union government approved hiring of around state-owned firm to a new company as well as MTNL. When this again not so important regarding the current affairs. Bihar Assembly passes grievance readdressal bill. Grievance readdressal bill is like a Lok Shahi kind of a where you have to resolve the problem. In fact, the government employee have to resolve or to take the action on any given request by the yeah. So again, so is it an important? No. India Mizoram Inc. MOU for gas again not important. Nurgappa Group to form a new joint venture with Japan-based Organo. Again, we can ignore it. ILO FICCI signed pact to improve MSME productivity. We can get into the marketing aptitude, but again not so important. Australian court revoked environmental approval of Adani chemical coal mine. Not so important. Then 10th is US renews generalized system of preferences GSP of India exporter. You can ignore it. So on 6th of August, going by the standard of questions or day by day activity, there is no as such activity from 6th of August which can come into the current affairs and we can ignore it. Though this same document will be converted into PDF and will be uploaded on MCQ for all because into UPSC and another kind of explanatory kind of examinations we can expect into a day-to-day activity for group discussion for interview kind of questions, but not certainly as into the SSC bank PO or other MBA current affairs where we more precisely go about the dates, the name, the places, and the kind of a very fixed information which is which was not there on the 6th of August. So let's start from 5th of August. 101 anniversary of first electric traffic signal system, we can ignore it. Who is going to ask the question of when the electric signal was launched and 101? Leave it. HSBC India to launch a green bond in India. Can we expect this question? We can expect this question, though it is related with a private company HSBC, which is not so important as per the current affairs of SSC or government exams. But since the green bond, the bank of name of the bank or the kind of a bond, McCann backs Incredible India ad campaign. Incredible India is a Indian Tourism Ministry initiative around around 6 to 7 year old, and McCann is a brand from European brand. So backs the Incredible India. So this is an important who who won the Incredible India ad campaign for 2015 July, or some kind of a question can come. Government job portal list manual scavenging as career option. Cleaning of sewer descending into manholes, removal of night soil using broom, all this kind of. So government is having the option of as a have added scavenging as a career option. Uh, Means what? Means I mean, though this question is not so important, but it is very important regarding the as per way, like the if you say into like we have the um, municipal corporation which usually take care of this kind of work when the sewage cleaning and the other cleaning work comes out, but the government usually do not consider this work as a career option. Okay, and they do not give any formal no, formal listing of it. But now if somebody wants to go into the scavenging job, that is like somebody like let's say we have many unemployed, or you will see around see like the garbage collector, or somebody who is picking the litter from the roads, or somebody who is caring for the sewage cleaning. All those kind of people who were earlier now earlier were considered as a unskilled, non-skilled, will come into a career as a career option, will be taken as a skilled resource. Tirupati Trust open demat account for Balaji name. Again, can we expect this question? Demat account is for work for dealing into shares and bonds into share market, and now Tirupati Trust, everybody knows that it's the richest trust all over India. And then we have now Tirupati Trust can play into the shares and bonds. So again, not so important, but as per the current affairs, but important to know that now they also have the demat account. Bharti Airtel names Nilandu Roy as Chief Financial Officer. Bharti, though it's a private entity, uh, cannot expect the question directly. But since Bharti, like Bharti, Reliance, Tata, Birla, these are the great, good, biggest brand of India, and they give as importance as like any another government PSUs like SPCL, IOCL, or any other government agency. So this question can come into the marketing aptitude, where they may ask like who is the chief financial officer of Bharti Airtel, or name the person who important as a Bharti Airtel chief financial officer in the month of July. In the month of August 2015, Voice of Racing's O. Civilian died at 97. I have watched it BBC. He used to come for Voice of Racing, but he has stopped anchoring in 1997. So most, again, not so important, but I was just giving the background. Reliance Media was complete multiplex business sales of Carnival Group, again not so important as per the current affairs concerned. Roger Federer appointed as Roland Fogger appointed as a managing director and CEO of Mercedes-Benz, again not so important. When I say not so important, it is according to the SSC or any other government exam where the emphasis more on date, person, name, and especially information related with the government initiative or the government, Indian government or the state government, union government, any kind of government related thing. So information coming from the private companies, information coming from the uh, moreover of international, I'm uh, ignoring those kind of things. So on that basis, of course, this document will be available as PDF, so you can always go through this document and get prepared for the other important things. But we have time, less time, and we have to cover the many days of current affairs. So I'm going through it on a faster pace. Government Science Historic Peace Accord with Northeastern NSCM, very important, 4th of August 2015. In NSCM is a is a socialite council of Nagaland listed as a terrorist group, but now they are into a pact of. Now the whole detail is given below about NSCL. Second news is Deepa Karmakar bags bronze medal for Asian Gymnastics for Championship. Bronze, Deepa, we can ignore it. I mean, gold is important, or something which is very unique is important. Everybody who is winning the medal is not so important, so we can ignore it. Then about Deepa, IOC gives Olympic sports frisbee, again not so important. SDFC ties with Snapdeal for co-branded credit card, not so important. Tenure of ED Chief Ranjan as Katoch extended for third time, not so important. Spice Board launches subsidy scheme of boost production. Species or not spice, spice it is species board. Again not so important because there is no date, there is no person, there is no name. What kind of question can come out of it? Then Department of Telecommunication bans 857 porn website on the ground of decency and morality. Uh, can we expect a question out of it? The date on which, again, not so important. The number of porn website been banned, not so. I mean, there is no as such question we can expect. So I'm just ignoring to it. Only 8.5% of Indian are graduate census data, so not so important, but it is important when it comes to the IES, Indian Economic Services, or kind of any statistical exam where they ask the question related to the census. So 8.15 are the Indian who are graduate as per the latest census. Now coming to the 3rd of August 2015, Pakistan becomes a member of CERN. CERN is a European organization for nuclear research, and India is already the permanent member of the CERN. Now Pakistan also became. Is it important? Not so important. You can leave it. Then India women's bags win silver in the world archery group. It is little important because uh, no, not so important because they are not doing it first time. And then hold on, there was an important news out of this. Yes, this Rajat Chauhan bags silver in World Archery Championship. This is important. I was just forgetting what was that important news of from 3rd of August. Why it is important? Because the first ever Indian individual medal at World Archery Championship. Okay, so though it is a silver, but it is the first ever. So we can think it is an important event which can come into a question for into current affairs. India UK bilateral air exercise Indradhanush concluded. Uh, can be not so important because Beijing to host 2022 Winter Olympics. It may become important. Who is going to host the 2022 Winter Olympics? Then why was Beijing considered? Lieutenant General MMS Rai takes over as new Vice Chairman, Chief of Army Staff. Not so important because Lieutenant General posts are around 6 Lieutenant General posts, and not so important. Yeah, if some journal get appointed, some CEOs get important, that's become an important news. India to host second forum for Indian Pacific Island Corporation. Uh, just an information. So when it is going to be hosted, it's on 22nd of August 2015. Again, not so important. So India and China hold first meet at Daulat Beg Oldie in Ladakh. This is an important. This is the first meet and very important meet of India and China, and so all the related news is given. Information is given below. U.S. court singer, country singer Lynn Anderson passes away. Again, not so important because international news. 14-year-old Ranveer Singh Saini wins gold at Special Olympics. This is an important news because 14-year golfer winning, because golf is already a very not so known and not so very famous sports in India, and somebody winning the gold, that too into a special category, becomes an important news. So you can remember the name of the person, Ranveer Singh Saini, and what he did is won the gold into golf at Special Olympic 2015. China set up world's largest mosquito factory to fight dengue. You can ignore. Saurav Ghoshal and Jyotsna Chinappa bags national championship titles. Again, this is important because that's the national news, and Saurav Ghoshal and Jyotsna Chinappa, Commonwealth gold medalist, and Saurav Ghoshal. So almost it's like a very not so famous sports, but since they won the titleship, so we should remember the name, and this can come into sports section of the current affairs. So that's it. We covered 6th of August, 5th of August, 4th of August, 3rd of August, and 2nd and 1st of August was not so happening. I tried to collect the information of 2nd and 1st, but did not get much. So I'm leaving 2nd and 1st of August as a current affairs. Hope you would have gone through my video precisely. My only emphasis is to put the point which is important and leave the other point which, to the readers to go through it by themselves, so that they come up their own important and not so important about their own. These important and not so important are based on my experience, where I see the questions comes basically related to the dates, person name, or some quantitative information which can be measured or which can be given into the forms of numbers or forms of words. So that was for today current affairs, and let's cover the important jobs. It's very important jobs. Any opening. So few opening which I can simply name by. It's a CSET, not opening, like entrance exam, like CSET, UGC NET dates, forms are available. GATE forms are available into entrance exams. If I go into entrance exams, I will see the GATE form. Just today, the GATE form, just around 3 hours back, we have updated this. So the GATE form is already out. So guys preparing for waiting for the MTech entrance should fill this form. The paper will be into month of Feb of 2016, and last date is of October, 1st of October 2015. So don't wait for the last date. Go and fill the form. Other entrance exams I do not see because I've already gone through that. So there is no other entrance exam which can take your attention. Government jobs, any important government jobs. CSB for 675 constable post, which looks like a good opening, good number of opening. So you should fill up this, and then Then I'm just looking over some important which can catch your eye. Then 437 openings at Indian Ordnance Factory. Then CTET forms are out. CTET forms are out, guys. So those who are preparing or waiting for the teaching job into the government schools should fill up this form. The last date is of 19th of August. This same month. Time is very less. Go and fill the form. Any upcoming last date? I'm clicking over the last date column. Okay. UPSC today is 7th. So UPSSC 427 post. Tomorrow is the last date. So please fill the form. Don't ignore it. Then Kendriya Vidyalaya, sorry, Karnataka Public Service Commission 1400 posts. Fill the form. Like the posts are good numbers. So though it is of medical and kind of not so it's very IIM Raipur. So that was for today. Current affairs and the latest job with the upcoming last date jobs. How did you like the video? Please comment over it, and please subscribe to our channel, which is youtube.com/mcqforall.com. And we are always updating. We will always be updating you about the upcoming current affairs on time, and about the entrance exams and the government jobs. Thanks for watching this. Bye bye.